In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add holidays to Smartsheet so your project timelines automatically account for non-working days. This is especially important if you're using dependencies, Gantt charts, or automated scheduling, because without adding holidays, Smartsheet will treat those days like normal working days. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add company holidays or custom non-working days in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want to add holidays. This needs to be the specific project sheet that uses working days and dependencies. Once you're inside the sheet, look toward the top menu and click on Settings. In most cases, this is accessed through the Project Settings option if your sheet has dependencies enabled. Clicking on Settings will open a configuration window where you can control how your project schedule behaves. Inside the Project Settings panel, find and click on Years, Weeks, and Working Days. This section controls your working schedule, including which days are considered working days and which are not. This is where Smartsheet calculates durations and end dates based on your project timeline. If your schedule is slightly off or not skipping holidays properly, this is usually where the issue is. After opening Years, Weeks, and Working Days, look for the option labeled Holidays and Non-Working Days. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to manually define specific dates that should be excluded from your project schedule. These dates will override the normal working calendar, meaning even if a holiday falls on a weekday, Smartsheet will treat it as a non-working day. Now click on Add. This is where you'll begin entering your holiday information. A new row or date field will appear, allowing you to specify the exact holiday you want to include. Click on the date field to open the calendar picker. From here, simply choose the correct holiday date. For example, you can select New Year's Day, Independence Day, company shutdown dates, or any custom non-working day specific to your organization. If the holiday spans multiple days, make sure to add each date individually unless your version allows a date range. Be precise when selecting dates because these settings directly affect task durations and project end dates. Once you've selected the correct holiday date, click Apply. This confirms the change and adds the holiday to your project calendar. After applying, Smartsheet will automatically recalculate any dependent tasks. You may notice that task end dates shift forward to account for the new non-working day. This is completely normal and exactly what you want to happen. If you need to add multiple holidays, simply repeat the same process by clicking Add again and selecting additional dates. It's a good practice to add all major holidays at the beginning of a project so your timeline stays accurate from day one. One important thing to remember is that these holiday settings apply only to the specific sheet you're editing. If you manage multiple project sheets, you'll need to configure holidays individually for each one unless you're using account-level settings in an enterprise environment. And that's it. That's how you add holidays to Smartsheet and ensure your schedule reflects real-world non-working days. Taking a few minutes to configure this properly can save you from inaccurate deadlines and scheduling confusion later on. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Smartsheet guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.